Okay, where are we at? We're somewhere in New York. I don't know where we are.
We're in Carmel.
We're in Carmel, New York, August 24th, 2016. Let me move my finger out the way. We're going on this trail. I've never been here before.
Me neither.
And she hasn't either. This could possibly turn into a Blair Witch type of situation. Stay tuned for that one. We're right on the highway, it seems, or something. Yeah, so it was a beautiful day, so we decided to go for a walk with baby Mason. She's staring at a bench. There's a trail that goes up here. This feels kind of good. I was wondering where the sun was at. I mean, the shade was at. Yeah,
I wonder if we're going to be by water.
Going on a little hiking trail or something like that. Little family hike.
Gotcha. Oh, I'm on here?
Yeah.
The whole time? Anyway, so I need to find out if that one day is gonna matter or not, and then if not, then I can just take the day off and stay here.
Sounds good to me.
What is out there, babe?
I don't know. Let's go see what this is.
This looks good.
Make sure I don't step in a poison ivy or some rattlesnakes. I don't know what that is. There's something up there.
What is it?
I don't know what it is. And I would try and climb that right now, but I'm dressed like this today, and I'm not trying to do no type of extra activities in freaking boat shoes.
This breeze is nice though. Oh, pregnancy stuff.
She's worried about her stomach. She just gave birth, guys. I mean, what do you think? She looks good or not?
Yeah.
I think she looks good for just giving birth. You know? Whoa, that's far down. We're like really in some nature right now. We're in some nature. I hear birds chirping, water flowing. It feels nice to get out of the city, right?
It's beautiful to get
And
out.
enjoy something like this. It smells different over here.
It smells fresh.
Feels different. Sounds different.
Yeah, you don't get this in the city.
You know, when I used to be little, I used to go to like this place where it was something like this. We used to jump off this rock into water.
Oh, yeah. My
We used to
mom
bring our
did
dogs. It used to be so much fun.
that. In Lake George, they did.
You do that in Lake George?
My mom didn't do it.
That's all I needed to be doing.
Biking?
On a bike, yeah.
You know, wear them tight shorts?
Hell no. You know I'm gonna have some 3X sweatpants on.
You can't. You have to get the shorts.
With a champion
The
hoodie.
whole point of that is the shorts.
And some Reebok Classics or Tonics. Nice. This is me and my man Mace. So apparently a mosquito just bit him. So we're aborting mission. She's over there Googling
I'm Googling
to see what that means.
I have to make sure everything's
I think maybe we could just probably like put a little alcohol on it or something.
right.
He has an appointment what, 2 days from now?
Here's the services. I'm not sure how.
So hopefully you'll be alright, buddy. I'm pretty sure you will because you're strong. But I want to look at this view again. This view is crazy. Like, I feel like I'm so high up right now.
Alright, so as long as he doesn't wheeze, vomit, catch hives, sleepiness, or confusion, we can't tell about that. Rapid heartbeat or swelling of the lips or throat. If his lips get any bigger, we'll know. You should be okay. But we can help with the itching by putting some cold stuff on it.
Cold what?
Like cold, like water or cold compress. And then if worse comes to worse, we can give him an ibuprofen to help him as well.
Ibuprofen?
Yep. He has it at home.
How cool that is. I want to go fishing somewhere.
Fishing? We go fishing at my aunt's house.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, we could go fishing on the lake.
We should be fine. Let me just make sure.
Let me fix my hat. I need some air in my head. So yeah.
If he gets a fever.
I mean, could you put alcohol on it?
It doesn't say anything about alcohol. It doesn't say anything
Nothing
about
at all?
No.
Is alcohol even safe to put on newborns?
I don't think so.
No?
I don't think
Dr. Winnick put on his
belly button. I think that was just to dry it out. Okay, so all we have to worry about is the fever. And here we can like
fever.
I never like it to help with the redness in the spot.
What leg is it? That one?
This one. He's not even waking up. He don't even care. Nope, we don't care. Okay, let's get
You see it?
his little mosquito bite.
Yeah.
Right there, right there.
Oh man.
He
Nature,
went for his booty.
Nature, did you foul already?
I know.
See that face? He's like, I know, Dad.
These are the severe ones are like mosquitoes, spiders. Wasps, hornets, spiders.
Well, we're gonna wrap this up. We're gonna go back to the car and
Go home.
yeah, and go home
Eat dinner.
and cook dinner. That's what we're gonna do right now.
This was fun.
Out of here. Yo, this stupid yellow jacket was chasing me. What's going on, guys? Jimmy from Zero. Well, for the end of the day, it's 3:54. And me and Mason knocked out. Watching Twilight Zone. 3 o'clock. This is what you do when you're a father for something. Just gotta be up on there. Mason just had his bottle. He had about an ounce. There was 4 in there. I'm just hanging out. So, see you guys tomorrow. A brand new journey. It's a big smile. You happy about Mason? Alright, tomorrow. Also, I'd like to say, as for an update, earlier today Mason had got bit by a mosquito and no worries. He's actually fine. He's been fine all day.